Financial statement includes only balance sheet. False. Financial statement includes balance sheet as well as profit and loss account. Analysis of financial statement is a tool but not a remedy. True. Analysis of financial statement can provide a deeper insight of the problem area. However, it cannot solve the or it cannot provide the solution. Purchase of fixed asset is operating cash flow. False. Purchase of fixed asset is investing cash flow. Dividend paid is not a source of fund. True. Dividend paid is application of funds. Gross profit ratio depends upon net profit. True. Gross profit ratio is derived by gross profit divided by net sales into 100. This is a formula. Payment of cash against purchase of stock is use of fund. True. Payment of cash against the purchase of stock is an application of fund and hence it is use of fund. Ratio analysis is useful for inter-firm comparison. True. Ratio are useful for comparison between the two different firm over the numbers of years and helps to make comparative study. The short-term deposits are considered as the cash equivalent. True. Short-term deposit can be easily converted into the cash and hence are considered as a cash equivalent. Activity ratios and turnover ratios are the same. True. Activity ratios and turnover ratio both are used to measure the efficiency of various business operations. Hence, both the ratios are same. Current ratio measures the liquidity of the business. True. Current ratio provides the analysis of whether the short-term asset can pay off short-term liabilities and hence it measures the liquidity of the business. Ratio analysis measures the profitability, efficiency, financial soundness of the business. True. Ratio analysis analyzes various aspects of the business including profitability, financial standing, operational efficiency, etc. Usually current ratio should be 3:1. False. Current ratio should be 2:1.